Still setting my tent up, but I'm the first to get started. Craig's almost finished. Gus is over there setting up his, and Mark's messing around with the tarp. It's a lovely spot though.
It's the same thing. And then this thing is zipped up to there.
Yep.
But you can see that it's got that zip there as well, broken.
Yep.
So you can have the triangle down like that. You might be right, Gus, for the lower there to the top, which is the top, looks like a sail. There was two tarps, there's one. No, that is yours. That's one there. Well, you can, yeah, that's what I said.
Check out Craig's setup. He's got the Tangier. That's Craig's water filter. I'm actually quite impressed with this tent. It looks like a good setup.
Excuse the mess.
It's alright. It's tidier than my tent. But yeah, oh look. Karen's gone wild. So this is my setup for the night, my usual setup. I've got my Cloud Peak 2. I did buy a better mat that comes out of ground sheet from AliExpress. Just covers more area than the Cloud Peak one. I've got my Robin's mat underneath, my X-Bed Versa 5R, my Rab 700. I've got a sleeping bag liner which I got on Amazon. It's one of those thermal ones, and I've got my Van Gogh pillow, so I should be cozy. And then I've got room at the back for all my gear. Here's what you don't usually see that I bring along. So I brought some water because I don't actually have a filtering system yet. That's something I need to get, along with some dry bags. I'm having stag chili for dinner. Cup for hot drinks. I've got a little speaker, which I just bought recently. It's a flex tail one. Test that out later. I use this as a hot water bottle. Put Karen's Gone Wild logo on it. Follow her if you don't. I've got myself a Trangia, so I'm going to cook from that because I was going through too much gas. I've got things like teas, coffees, cutlery in there. I did have a camping fork, but my last camp I wasn't paying attention and I threw it on the fire. I've got a power bank, a charger. I've got my body warmers, hand warmers and toe warmers because I'm always cold. I've got some toilet wipes in case I need those. Temperature at the moment says it's 4. And then I've brought snacks, some drinks, and that's pretty much me. And then obviously hat, gloves, wear my normal outdoory gear to keep me warm. I have had a quick check over my tent because the last camp, as I was packing it away, I put all my gear away, thought I'd leave the tent till last, but because I was camped on sand, the pegs didn't actually go in the ground properly, so it was my whole body weight that was holding the tent down really. I came back and Ali's chasing my tent and it was upside down in a bramble bush. I don't see any holes, but I'll find out if it rains at some point whether there was any damage done or not, just because I can't see anything. Checked it over. We'll find out eventually. Hopefully it's fine and I'm just lucky, but this tent's been through some stuff. Mark's decided to join the team and finally put his tent up. That's me set up. I'm now sat underneath the tarp. Mark's finishing up setting up his tent. I'm having a quick drink and then I'm going to pull out my trangia and cook up some, well, I'm not cooking really, I'm heating up some chili con carne for myself. So heat myself up a little bit. But I'll show you what I'm doing with that anyway when I set it up, and let's hope I don't start an actual fire anywhere. A wild camper has been spotted.
Since you spilt all yours.
Seen as I spilt on mine. Did you? Oh boy. That's protected enough.
This is Craig, our fire starter.
Twisted fire starter. That'll get it started.
So it's 23 minutes past midnight and I've just decided to go to bed. Before I came to bed I had something hot to eat and I've filled up my bottle with boiling water, and that should keep me toasty till morning. It's quite chilly but it's not too bad. The wind's died down, but yeah, I've had enough and I'm ready for my bed. Night. Morning. It's 18 minutes past 9 and my thermometer's telling me it's -2. I'm feeling cold so I'm not in a rush to get up. My water bottle kept me warm until 3:30. So I'm feeling a bit cold, but I'm not freezing. Like, I'm alright in my bag, but I know I'm gonna be cold when I get up. So I'll wait till the other guys get up, then I'll get up. I don't like cold camps, but here I am doing it again. But it was alright. I forgot my hand warmers. I had a body warmer, which didn't feel like it done much, but had it anyway. And I had my toe warmers, so that helped, and my hot water bottle. But next time I'll make sure I bring my hand warmers because that makes a difference. And I need to get trousers with fleece lining. And then I've got some other trousers to go over the top, I think. But I have ordered a billet that you can use your portable charger for and heat you up. So when I get that, I'm going to see if that helps too. I can hear the guys saying how they're not cold, and I'm like, it's cold. Bragging. There's ice on my tent. It's -1 right now. Cold. I'm gonna go put some toe warmers in my boots and get myself a hot drink. When you're lighting the fuel, you need to be careful because sometimes you don't always see the flame. So it's it's worth just hovering your hand over it just to double check. I have a bit of ice floating around in my kettle.
Wait there, we circle in my shot, my tent. I'll do my TikTok. That's a full video in its own.
Yeah.
I'm all packed up, just waiting for everybody else. Leave no trace. I'm slowly getting used to camping out in the cold and adapting, but there are some things I need to buy just to make sure I'm warmer because I'm always feeling the cold. I think it's an actual problem I have myself because I'm always cold. But we had some nice views and it was a nice place to camp, and we probably will come back here again. But yeah, thanks for watching.